Legendary rock musician Bryan Adams has arrived in Shillong as part of his ongoing world tour, generating widespread excitement among fans and music lovers in the region. The arrival of the iconic singer, known for hits like Summer of '69 and Heaven, has set the stage for a highly anticipated live concert. Event organizers and local authorities have ramped up security and logistical preparations to manage the expected influx of concert goers. The Shillong leg of Adams' tour is seen as a landmark cultural event, drawing music enthusiasts from across the Northeast and neighboring regions. With his signature raspy voice and energetic stage presence, Bryan Adams is set to deliver a memorable performance in the rock capital of India, Shillong, much to the delight of his fans.